Welcome to a new episode of High Altitude Motorsports. It is Saturday afternoon, approximately 12:47, and at about 1 to 1:05, the Blue Angels are flying over the shop, so we're gonna film it on the roof of the shop. It's gonna be pretty sweet. And while we're doing that, Ryan is over here swapping a grill out. Here goes nothing. We made it to the top. Still a freaking popsicle up here. People on Twitter and Boulder are saying they haven't even flown by.
Really?
Like seconds ago.
You should come help, he's struggling.
So the Thunderbirds are running about 45 minutes late. No big deal. They got things to do like the US Air Force Academy. So as we wait for them, it is a little bit chilly up here on the roof, but they should be flying over any minute. Very excited. What's up, everyone? Welcome to a new episode of High Altitude Motorsports. We are in the McLaren, heading down to Denver to a place called Ink Monster. They're gonna measure the car so they can start printing my new wrap. So it's pretty exciting. We're not gonna give away any of the wrap. You guys are gonna have to stay tuned and hit that subscribe button to see what we wrap it. We just got to Ink Monster. Actually, I thought we were gonna be late, but we got here quick. Gonna go inside and probably just give them the keys.
Just like C. Darwin, I live for natural selection. Never have connections, I just constrict and reject.
So right now we are going to be doing the calibration on this Kelderman truck, and it's kind of cool to watch because it goes up and down a bunch. We're gonna be working on my cousin's little Dodge Dakota. And my cousin ended up locking his keys in the car. So remember from this video. Dude. Oh, what the What the So today we are going to pretend to be villains and break into his car. But I don't have a mask. So you know what works as a mask? This good old High Altitude merch, link in bio. And we're just gonna cut this up and make ourselves a sweet mask.
He's gonna cut the sleeves off?
No, I don't know what I'm gonna do.
You could probably cut the sleeves off and just slip it over your head.
Oh yeah.
Should work.
Look at that, huh? That is the High Altitude mask. Then you put the High Altitude hat on with the Louis Vuitton sunglasses, and you're ready to go break into a truck. We're gonna go steal a truck. We got the braking tools.
Yeah.
We got the charger. This one might be kind of hard to break into. Oh yeah, that actually worked really well. It's another day in the neighborhood.
That's right.
His keys weren't in the ignition, so it might not be dead. Took my sweet high altitude merch mask. If you guys want to make a mask, these shirts are on sale. Use COVID-19, get yourself 19% off. Trying to sell out of everything that we have so we can start restocking with some new cool stuff. But we just broke into this truck. Cops didn't get called, even though I look like a criminal. We'll see you at the shop. Perfect. All right, guys, so we don't just work on nice vehicles all the time. A lot of people think we do. We literally work on anything at this shop. Cars, trucks, SUVs, grandma's minivan, anything and everything. So as you guys saw earlier, we stole this truck. This is my cousin's truck, and he was complaining about a little bit of a rattle coming from underneath. Well, turns out it was a bigger rattle than had anticipated. The transfer case on this here model is missing a couple parts. To be completely honest, with seeing how much rust is in this, I honestly think that this has been like this for quite some time, and it's just unbelievable to see this thing just completely blown up and grenaded. So we are going to see about finding a junkyard one or something online and go from there.